Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your selfie into a realistic superhero photo with Gemini AI. If you ever wondered what you look like as an epic superhero, now you can find out only by using Gemini AI, and I'll show you the exact prompts and steps to transform your ordinary selfie into a stunning realistic superhero portrait. So this is the example of the photo that I created using the prompt, and let's just get started. So first you can just open Gemini on your phone or on PC like this, and then just use the nano banana feature. So click on this create image options, and that will be this options in here, this drop down, create an image of me as a superhero. So you can just click on that, or you can type it manually in the chat box. So here is the prompt. First, ask me to upload a selfie and generate an image based on my selfie of a highly realistic superhero photo. And the photo is taken outdoors and I'm flying high above a city. Capture the scene with a natural photographic look, realistic lighting, skin texture, and detail. The framing angle and perspectives will be as realistic as possible, as if it were an actual photo. Now what you need to just click on this plus button and upload your selfie to Gemini. So for example, I'm going to use this photos right here. Just tap on open, and once your your photo is uploaded, you can just submit it and just wait until Gemini AI turn your selfie into a realistic superhero photo. So this is my superhero photo. As you guys can see, this photo is super realistic and it looks real. And if you like with the result, you can just download it directly by clicking on this drop down button. Or if you want to modify like the clothes and everything, you can just describe your idea in here. So that's pretty much all. I hope you like this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.